More questions on fitting of the curve of the form y equal to a into x power b. So question number 3, an experiment on lifetime t of cutting tool at a different cutting speeds v units are given below. Fit a relation of the form v equal to a into t power b. So clearly this equation, this relation is in the form y equal to a into x power b. The constants are a and b as before, but the variables, the letters are different. Instead of y and x, it is v and t. So same procedure is applied to fit up equation of the form v equal to a into t power b to the given data. So consider that v equal to a into t power b. Then to find a and b, we reduce this equation to the equation of a straight line in the form capital letter y equal to a plus b into capital letter x. So to do that, take a log on both sides of the equation v equal to a into t power b. So log v to the base e will be equal to log a to the base e plus log of t power b to the base e, which will be log v to the base e as equal to log a to the base e plus b into log t to the base e, which is in the form y is equal to a plus bx. Left side we take it as y, which is a log v to the base e or ln v. Then the right side, the constant term, we take it as capital letter A. So capital letter A is log A to the base E or ln A. So log A to the base E is capital letter A, means small letter a will be e power capital letter A. Then x will be equal to log t to the base E or ln t. So here y means ln v, x means ln t, and small letter a is e power a. So to find that for this straight line y equal to a plus b into x, to find that capital letter A and small letter b, we need to form the normal equations. To form the normal equation, attach a summation symbol to each term of both sides of the equation y equal to a plus bx. Left side will be summation capital letter y equal to, right side is a into summation 1, means it is n, plus b into summation x. To get the second normal equation, attach summation x, summation capital letter x to both sides of y equal to a plus bx. You get summation capital letter xy as equal to a into summation capital letter x plus b into summation capital letter x square. Now number of values of v and t, 4 pair of values, so n equal to 4. So we need to find that sums summation capital letter x, summation capital letter y, summation capital letter x square, and summation capital letter xy. So first two columns, as it is the values given in the question v and t. Next column capital letter x is log t or ln t. Capital letter y is ln v, then xy and x square. So remember, log to the base e means it is not log to the base 10. So don't use log v to the base 10 or log t to the base 10. It is log to the base e. In the calculator you have to use a ln. So once you get all the entries of third, fourth, fifth and sixth columns, then in the same column at the bottom you can find the necessary sums. Summation x, summation y, summation xy and summation x square. Once you get all these sums, then substitute that sums in these normal equations. We get the equations as (4a plus 10.2704b equal to 24.4609). second equation 10.2704a plus 32.2142b equal to 61.8073. Then use the calculator, solve these two equations. Solving these two equations, you get the first unknown capital letter A as equal to 6.5539, second unknown small letter b as equal to 0.1709. Capital letter A is calculated, means small letter a will be e power capital letter A, which will be 701.9766. Once you get small letter a and small letter b is minus 0.1709. You can put that small letter a and b values in the equation. Y equal to a into x power b, and you can get the required curve. Then question number 4. Find a curve of the form y equal to a into x power b for the datum where a table of x and y values are given, altogether 5 x and y values. So with n equal to 5, you have to proceed for the solution part. Consider that equation y equal to a into x power b, which is to be fitted to this data. We need to calculate a and b. Again, to calculate a and b, first we reduce this equation to the equation of a straight line, for which we have to take log on both sides to the base e. So log y to the base e will be equal to log a to the base e plus log of x power b to the base e. Log y to the base e will be log a to the base e plus b into log x to the base e. In this left side you can take it as capital letter Y, log y to the base e, or ln y. Then log a to the base e, you can take it as capital letter A, and log x to the base e, you can take it as capital letter X, which is equal to ln x. Capital letter A is log a to the base e, means small letter a will be e power e, capital letter A. So solving these normal equations, so the equation is in the form y equal to capital letter A plus bx. Now for this equation you can find capital letter A and small letter b by forming the normal equations. To get the first normal equation, attach that summation symbol to both sides. You get summation y as equal to n into a plus b into summation x. Second normal equation, summation xy as equal to a into summation x plus b into summation x square. Solving these two normal equations, we get capital letter A and small letter b. To solve this equation, we need the values of that sums. So get the table. First two columns are x and y values. Then you can calculate capital letter X, that is a ln x value, capital letter Y, which is a ln y value, capital letter xy, capital letter x square. Once all the entries are filled, then you can get all the 4 sums. Substitute that 4 sums in this normal equation. You get the normal equation as 5a plus 7.8317b as equal to 11.1744. 7.8317a plus 12.7148b as equal to 17.8515. Now use the calculator, solve these two equations. You get the first unknown, which is capital letter A, as equal to 1.0153, which means small letter a will be e power capital letter A, or 2.7602. From the normal equation, you get the second unknown as B equal to 0.7786. So A is 2.7602, B is 0.7786. Then substitute this small letter a and b values, we get y equal to a into x power b, we get the required curve.